everybody, it's Jennifer, and today we are in old school filming location. This is my kitchen. If you will go back and watch my cleaning videos, you know that. This is in like the dining side of my kitchen. I'm sitting at my dining room table. I have my old lamps. There's no ring light out here. We're going old school today, but my daughter's already asleep. It's almost 11 o'clock at night, so we had to move some things around because I am filming this on Tuesday, August 13th, and I am having gallbladder removal surgery on Thursday the 15th. So I am trying to pre-film. I've been trying to pre-film for a while now. It's not working out in my favor. Everything that could have been thrown at me in the past 2 weeks has been thrown at me, so I'm trying to pre-film as much as I can. I might miss an upload day. I'm gonna try my damnedest to not miss an upload day. So yes, moving on though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am digging this look like the grave. I freaking love it. I very rarely do halo eyes. I don't really dabble in purple a ton unless it's mixed with like other colors, but this is an all purple smoky eye. It is super sexy. If you have blue or green eyes, this is gonna make your eyes pop like crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I love it so freaking much, and I will see you all here in just a minute. Don't be alarmed, by the way. I did my eyes first, so there's no makeup, Jennifer, headed your way. Sorry again. Alright, so we are going to start out by priming our eyes. I'm gonna do our eyes first today just because that's cute. Pretty sure we're gonna have some fallout. I'm just using the ColourPop No Filter concealer. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild multi-stick for the first time, and this shade is in Royal Scam. A little scared of it. So now I'm just going to hopefully blend it out just a little bit. Or away altogether. I'm going to start out in the Festival palette, and I'm going to take Shell, which is this super pretty pastel purpley shade. Okay, so I'm not really digging this at all. So I'm gonna go in with Festival, which is this more pinky purple shade. Let's see if this helps at all, and I'm gonna blur out my crease a little bit more. Stepping out of that palette for just a second, I'm going to go into the Alyssa Edwards palette from ABH, and I'm gonna take Believe. Deepen the outer corner a little bit. Now I'm going to take any little smudgy brush, and I'm going to take BBDC, which is this super dark purple. And we're just gonna add that to the outer corner. I'm going to take a cleaned, nothing on it, fluffy crease brush and just continue to blend all of this out. I'm going to go back in with BBDC, and I'm going to darken up my inner corner. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 00, which is just white, and I will be right back. now that I've cut my crease, I'm pretty much just doing a halo eye. I'm going to take DDG, which is just a super bright shimmery purple. Hopefully this is what I'm needing. If not, I have a backup plan. Don't worry. We're going to apply this on top of the concealer. I'm going to take a little bit of Believe, which is just the matte purple in here. Kind of go over the edges. Now on the same brush, we're going to go into the Festival palette, and we're going to take we're going to take Fanny Pack, which is this purpley pink shade, and I am going to load up my brush, tap out the insane amount of excess shadow on my brush, and then we are going to spritz it with a setting spray. I'm just going to use the Physicians Formula Insta Ready. Let's see what this does. I'm going to go back with BB DC, which is just that super dark plummy color, and try my hardest to blur these edges a little bit more. Original blending brush, and I'm gonna go back in with a mix of Shell and Festival. And just kind of go back over my crease. This is looking wild AF. Okay, so that's pretty much it for right now. I'm going to hop off of here and do my face makeup, and we will be back to finish off the lower lash line. So I'll see you all in a second. Alright, so I put on my full face. I'll link down below the face routine I'm following right now. I definitely am liking the way this looks a lot better now that I have my face put on, but we shall see how good it really is when I finally get done. How I've already lost the brush I was using. It's fine. So we're going to do the rest of our eye really fast and all of that, and then we'll be done with this video. So for my lash line, my bottom lash line, I'm just gonna take Believe. You've got to be shitting me. We're gonna ignore that and act like it's not happening, and I'll fix it hopefully in a minute. Wow, Jennifer. I've fixed that as good as it was gonna get. We're gonna move on and not talk about the blotch that's on my face. And all I'm gonna do other than the Believe is take BB DC on the same brush. Yeah, and just darken it. I'm going to take ColourPop Flexitarian, which I have fallen back in love with somehow. I'm not mad at it. Trying to make sure shit's clean now. I'm gonna take Flexitarian and pop this on the inner corner. This is also what my highlight is on my face. Very sparkly look. And I'm going to, I think, yeah, I'm going to plop that on top of the shimmery purple just to give it a little bit more light. Yeah, I'm digging this now. Okay, we're on it. I'm killing it. Yes. Okay, so now all I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it off of camera so that this isn't live. lied like a pillow on the bed. Sorry. I'm going to tight line my eyes really fast with Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Love. Between the loud assness that is my dishwasher in the background and that, I just don't know what to do with my life. So now I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to put a wing on with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. We're going to put on a little bit of the Essence False Lashes Mascara, and then I'm going to apply some Demi Wispies, and we will be back to do the lips. Be right back. Just look at the difference that a lash makes. It does important things. Alright, so now the last thing we're going to do is a lip. I have pulled out Jeffree Star's Mannequin, but I concealed my lips out, so I don't think we will need it. In my last month's favorites, I know I was ranting about the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream in White Russian, and I believe I have a dupe for it. So we're going to test that out today. I know pretty well what White Russian looks like on my lips, so I'm going to be trying the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper, and this is in Almost Natural. In the packaging, they look pretty freaking close. This is a lot on the eyes, so I figured we'd keep the lips nude. Okay, this is the final look. I'm really digging this. I like this a lot. Like, hold up. This looks so much better than what I was anticipating during the actual hold up, let me fix my shirt. Ooh, maybe if my hair was on that side. Yeah, I have foundation in my hair. Yes, I just washed my hair today. That's the kind of life I'm living right now. We're gonna just ignore it. Okay, so hold up. Fucked it up again. This shirt's meant to go off of a shoulder. It's not working out for me anyway. This foundation's killing me. This actually turned out really pretty. I really like how it ended. I super love this. This is so freaking gorgeous. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I hit my 100 subscriber mark. I am so excited. I honestly am. I'm about to film the video for the giveaway. It will be up before this video, so you know, I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to enter the giveaway. But since that is already gonna be posted, my new spiel is going to be subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway 200 subscribers. I almost said 1. I'm so used to it. It took me forever to get to 100. I am so happy I am there. Thank you so much for supporting my tiny little channel, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Bye guys.